comparison to a burning bush and a burning mountain, I think the one outweighs the other. But that's on the standards of man. You see, your relationship with God doesn't depend on the size of your encounter. Because we know that Moses' heart was to follow all the commandments of God. But yet the people of Israel turned their back on God. They still followed in the ways of their fathers, making idols and worshipping idols. Even though their encounter in size and in measure was so much greater than the encounter which Moses had. So can we say that the size of our encounter or the measure of our supernatural encounter determines our relationship and fellowship with God, the depth? No. You see, our fellowship with God is on a personal level, and it's our responsibility as children of God to cultivate a relationship with Him. Spending time with Him in His Word, spending time with Him in prayer, spending time with Him just sitting and waiting on Him, sometimes just sitting and being quiet in His presence, worshipping Him, giving praise and worship to Him. That's all from our side. But one thing I know is, in this, God responds. You see, some of us have come to salvation by a small whisper that we heard. And that encounter was so great that we gave our lives to the Lord. Do not say to yourself that only if I have a great encounter with God, maybe then my relationship with God will be at another level. You see, if you draw near to God, the Word says He will draw near to you. So there's an action from our side that we need to take. We need to draw near to Him, and He will draw near to us.